Once again, good morning. And today I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to use Kahoot application. So Kahoot application is commonly used when we want to have an interactive game in our online class. So I hope you are excited to know how to use this application. So just follow me and try to remember the steps, okay? Okay, so I'm going to share you my screen. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to Google Chrome and then type www.google.com and then press Kahoot. And then select Kahoot Learning Games. After that, you must log in. So if you don't have an account for this application, all you have to do is sign up. Select teacher and then school. Afterwards, you can go directly to, if you have your Google account or you have your Microsoft account or your Apple account. So click continue and then select your account. So for example, once you selected your Gmail account, so it will lead you to the different options. Yeah, basic, pro, right, premium, or premium plus. So we will just use the free, yeah, or the basic Kahoot application. So for this one, so there's a limited features. So we can only create through true or false and multiple choice questions. Okay, then click continue for free. Okay, this is now your Kahoot working space. So you can also type your name, your username, your country, and your school. So for this demonstration, I will not type my personal name, my account. So all I have to do is I will just select maybe later. But if you want to, just type the necessary information and then save and continue. Okay, so we will now create. So all you have to do is to create a Kahoot, yeah, for 2. And then we have here, create new. You have Kahoot for formative assessment and get to know your teacher. So for this demonstration, I will just use create new. So this is now the environment wherein you can put the questions for your interactive game. So in the right side of this application, you will find here question type. So we have here quiz, true or false, type answer, puzzles, and so on. For this basic or free account for Kahoot, there are only 2 available question type, quiz and true or false. So we will use quiz. And then time limit. So you can set the time depending on the question that you have prepared. And then points. So you can give corresponding points for each item. So we have standard, double points, or no points. So for this one, we will just give standard points. And then answer option. So since this is free account, we can only use single select. While in the right side, we have here the current workspace or question. Yeah, current question. But you can also add question, or you can go directly to bank uh, question bank. But I think question bank is not available if you are using a free account. Yeah. So make sure when you want to create a learning game, you already prepared your questions. Yeah, so that you will just copy and paste in this application so that you can save time. Okay. So for this demonstration, I will just use two questions. So I have here for research questions. All you have to do is copy and paste. Copy and paste. So how to copy and paste? So if you want to copy, Control C, and then if you want to paste, Control V. Okay. Select the choices and then place them on the option. Copy and paste. Highlight, copy, and paste. Control V. Okay, once you're done, all you have to do is to select the correct answer. So you can see the circle, yeah, here. So all you have to do is to check, select. So at the center, you can also add images. You can upload image or from image library, or you can go to a link, yeah, from a YouTube link, so that students will have a better picture of the question. So once you're done with this one, you can add another question. So you can choose please or true or false. You just have to select and then go to your test bank, copy, highlight, copy, and paste. Control V, and then copy and paste. Yeah, that's really important for this. Yeah, application. Then after that, you have to select the correct answer. So once you're done with your interactive game, all you have to do is to save. Yeah, here, click in the setting, you have to save the title or rename the titles. For example, this is Research Quiz 1. So you can also add description, and then you can add cover page, covered image, save to, so everyone can view, and then click done. So once you're done, click the at the right corner, you have here done. Click done. So once you're done, you can share it with others. You can test this Kahoot, play now, or share it with others. So you can have this done. Once it is done, all you have to do is to host a Kahoot. Yeah. For example, if you want to play this with your students, so you select the game, for example, Research 1, then play. So you have here for virtual classroom, or you let the students do it by themselves. Yeah, self-paced learning. So for this demonstration, I will use or show you the version virtual classroom. So I'm going to teach. So another dialog box, another option, yeah, tab. will appear. So while waiting for the pin, so remember this is the pin where you will send this to your students, okay? So for the benefit of this demonstration, I will just open a new tab for the student view. So you just all your student instruct your student to type in this one, the www.kahoot.it. So all you have to do is, so students will just type this or copy and paste and then enter. So remember, this is the student view and this is your, teacher's view, okay? So all you have to do is to copy this code and send this to your students because this will be their game pin. So copy and then let your students have it. For example, I'm the student here. So I will paste the pin number and then enter. So your student can put their nickname. For example, this is Anna. And then she will enter, okay, go. So Anna is already in the game. So notice in your teacher's view, Anna is already in the game. So you have one player. Okay. So all you have to do is to, if you want to start, yeah, for example, all the students are already in the game. Yeah. All your students are already in. So all you have to do is to click start to begin the game. So the question starts now. So notice that the question is present. So there is a time limit. So for the student's view, so all they have to do is to select the figure. Yeah. So for this question, so for examples, Anna will select B. Okay. So it will indicate. Okay. So the next question. So scoreboard, Anna got 0. So question 2. For example, Anna will select figure A. So Anna got a score. So next, so it will show or indicate the ranking of the students who got the correct answer. So Anna wins the game. So that's it. That's how easy it is to make this interactive game for your students. This is a form of formative assessment that you can use with your students. Hope you learned something about this application and hope you will apply this on your online classes. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.